Yard and foreign kick up. Foreign.
Nice and thick. See that? Nice and thick. See how that look nice, my friend. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Yard and Foreign Cooking TV, hosted by me, Charlotte Rose. So guys, y'all know what time it is, right? It's countdown to New Year's 2020. Yes. So guys, on the hero, quiet the houses. Except for the look of Christmas tree over there, so I make here nice. But other than that, on the hero quiet the places. Listen, me alone the year. Me alone. Everybody gone out, them gone do little things here, little things there. So I'm just taking the opportunity to put out this intro. Have a happy, prosperous new year. And not just for the New Year's, guys, the whole rest of the years to come. Alright? But we're counting down to 2020, 2020, 2020. 2020. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to cook up a little bit of food. Alright? I did some Barbie fried chicken, carrot juice, and a sweet potato pudding. So, I don't know when or if all of the videos are gonna go up by 2020, but I'll definitely try to put them up. Yes, just go like, share, comment, definitely subscribe to my channel, guys. Good things are gonna happen over here. Remember me telling her that. And definitely hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So guys, come with me and let's go to this. Come on. Hey guys, so I'm making some carrot juice, and here in this bowl, guys, I have some carrots that have been peeled and washed, and I have a pot of water boiling over here. I'm just gonna put these in my water to boil for about 12 to 15 minutes tops. Alright, then let it cool down. Then I will proceed with my carrot juice, and for this carrot juice I'm using it with condensed milk, cinnamon, and stuff like that. But along the way, guys, I'll show you a detailed way how I make my carrot juice. Okay, so my carrot's been boiling for 10 minutes, guys, so I'm just gonna take it off and shock it in some cold water. So what shocking is, guys, it simply is to just submerge the carrots or whatever it is you're trying to shock with some cold water or ice. I don't have any ice, so I'm just gonna use the cold water and run it until it cool down. All right, and then just blend it normal. Okay, but guys, while we're waiting on that, I just want to say to you guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So this is the last of my carrots, guys. You want to make it nice and soft. That way when you're blending it, you get it nice and smooth, and that's what contributes to the thickness of your carrot juice. Alright, so get it nice and smooth. Now make it chunky when you blend it up and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna place this in my bullet. As you can see, I already blended some up, so I'm just gonna continue with the process and blend that up nice and smooth. That's the trick to getting your carrot juice nice and thick when it's blended out nice and smooth. Okay, so may I get couple spins on the bullet, get it nice. You see it, look guys, that's how you want it. It kind of look like your puree carrots for baby. So guys, you just want to get this carrot puree through your strainer, and you could do this once or twice depending on how thick you want your carrot juice to be. For me, I did it twice and I still got a thick juice. Still got the juice nice and thick. So, you know, get out most of the texture. Even though you blend it out so smooth, it still had like a gritty texture to it. So I strained it twice. Still got it nice and thick. So now I'm just gonna run over all the ingredients with you guys that I use to sweeten my carrots, right? My carrot juice, that is. Okay, so over here are a few of the items that I use. Of course, you need the sweetened condensed milk, that, you know, some mixed spice. You need some nutmeg. I have a Guinness, some vanilla essence, some mixed essence, sugar, and some salt. Yes, guys, I said salt. Salt help bring out the taste with these things, okay? So for this amount of carrot juice, I used 2 pounds of carrots and about 8 to 10 cups of water. All right, you could wing it, guys, and judge how much water you need in your carrot juice depending on how thick or how thin you want your carrot juice to be. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my sugar. I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar for now. If I need more, I'll add it down the line. I'm now just gonna add the rest of my spices, which I'll start out with my vanilla essence. And guys, remember, I tell you all the time, my vanilla and mixed essence is double strength. So you don't want to put too much of that if you're using this same brand or anything comparable to this. So I'm just gonna put half a teaspoon of each. Okay, so half vanilla, half mixed spice, and it's not there on display, guys, but I also use some rose water. I use a 1/4 teaspoon of that because rose water is very strong, guys, and if you put too much, trust me, trust and believe, you will taste it. All right, so don't put too much rose water. So now I'm just gonna add my mixed spice. And everything I'm putting, guys, I'm just gonna put it in moderation. So all of these powder spices, I'm only using half a teaspoon, okay, because I don't want it to be bitter, and these spices will make it bitter. So now I'm just gonna add my nutmeg and half a teaspoon. Remember that I threw out too much, so just be careful, guys, not too much. No, sir. Some salt, like a 1/4 teaspoon, guys, not too much. I have condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna put maybe about all of this. So I'm gonna add all of that, guys. Chances are I might need some more, but I only have 1 can. So I don't know Jamaican style, and I throw a little the carrot juice in there and mix it out. But let me see where I go on after I mix this up. So now I'm just gonna mix this up here, you guys, and take a little woof and see what's missing, what it need. Just out of curiosity, guys, what are you guys cooking for New Year's Day? I am cooking some Barbie fried chicken with this and some white rice. I really don't feel for no rice and peas, so leave a comment down below. Okay, guys, this also calls for a nutriment, right? Or a supplement, something like that. But if you don't have that, you could use Lasco, like a vanilla Lasco, but mix it out real thick, okay? Not too thin. Just a little bit of water with a whole pack of Lasco. Taste it. Turn up. So I'm gonna take a little taste of this, guys. Hands are clean as usual. So it's not too much on the sweet side, guys. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the sugar, which is not too much I have left in here. So guys, you don't know our little Jamaican style, right? Waste not, want not. Get all that little extra milk, right? So guys, I'm just gonna add the Guinness right now. Ugh, that hard to open. Okay guys, so at this point, if you wanna add rum, I normally would add some rum cream just to, bounce it up a little bit instead of just the bare rum or whatever. This is the time when you would do it because you're down to the nitty-gritty of finishing this up and all of that. So if you want to add your rum and thing like that, go ahead. Now is when you do it, okay? So guys, the carrot juice is done. And as you can see, these bottles are used for everything. So I'm gonna pour some in here. And by the way, guys, there's a line behind the waiting. I don't know what they're waiting for. I'm just gonna take my sweet little time. Close this off. And this is it, guys. I'm done with the carrot juice. Nice, yeah? Nice and thick. See that? Nice and thick. I have this glass filled with ice. So I'm just gonna pour the extra. This is extra from that gonna fit here. See how that look nice and refreshing, guys? Oh my God, I can't wait. So, this is it, guys. I'm gonna take a nice little taste. Tastes so good, guys. Tastes so good. So, guys, please go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and definitely hit that notification bell so you could be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So until the next video, guys, Cheerios. Bye. Happy New Year.
Yard up for him, kick up.